Hello, welcome to TV9 News. I'm your host Jyoti Jha and this is your one-stop destination for top trending entertainment stories. Kangana Ranaut and Diljit Dosanjh are back on Twitter fighting over the farm bills. Now this time it was Kangana Ranaut who tagged Diljit Dosanjh in one of her tweets and asked him what exactly was his problems with farm bills, for which Diljit also replied and said he does not really owe her any explanation, but still because she's so obsessed with him, he just shared a YouTube link and asked her to watch it once and know the problems that is being faced by the farmers of Punjab. Actors John Abraham and Ritesh Deshmukh are celebrating their birthday. John turned 48 today, whereas Ritesh is celebrating his 42nd birthday. Both the actors were seen together in Houseful movie. Apart from that, a lot of other actors are wishing them. Shekhar Suman's son Adhyayan Suman, who struggled a lot in his initial days, is finally getting some attention after he started featuring in the Ashram series as Tinka Singh. People are loving his character there, and in one of the interviews he revealed that initially when he started acting and he started his career, a lot of people tried downgrading him and telling him that he is a failure, but however he always believed in having a second chance, and he thinks that Ashram is his second chance to prove everybody else wrong who underestimated him. A total of 224 films will be released in the International Film Festival of India, which will start from 16th of January to 24th of January. In this, we will have many Bollywood plus and many best foreign language movies releasing. The movies will be screened at all the theatres in Goa plus online in case you want to watch from outside Goa. Did you know Sara Ali Khan was dropped from Heropanthy 2? Tiger Shroff's upcoming film Heropanthy 2, a lot of rumors were saying that Sara Ali Khan was the top contestant for being featured opposite Tiger Shroff, but once the drug scandal started because of Sushant Singh Rajput's death case, producers feared starring her in the picture, and now she has been dropped from the movie. Actress Dimple Kapadia is back in form after she featured in Christopher Nolan's Tenet. Now a lot of offers have been coming to her end, and recently it is said that the actor loved the role in Pathaan and she will be playing a raw agent in Shah Rukh Khan's upcoming film. Apart from that, Dimple Kapadia will also be seen in Saif Ali Khan's upcoming web series Tandav. Tiger Shroff's sister Krishna Shroff's picture is going viral on the internet. She recently shared a picture of her kissing Chef Salt Bae, for which her ex-boyfriend commented and said, "Damn, you moved too quick." She recently broke up with her boyfriend in the month of November. Actress Urmila Matondkar's Instagram account was recently hacked, for which she has now filed an FIR. Taking to her Twitter, she said that recently someone asked her to follow certain steps to verify her Instagram account. She followed, and as soon as she completed all the steps, her account was hacked. Now she has filed an FIR and investigation is underway. Last but not least, Johnny Depp blocked from making a cameo appearance in Pirates of Caribbean franchise after Disney balked at the idea amid wife-beater libel trial. Johnny Depp has been dropped from the movie, and because he is in controversies because of the beating his wife, he won't be seen in any movies further. Those were the top trending entertainment stories for the day. For more updates, like, share and subscribe to TV9 News. Thank you so much for watching.